If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, looking good, makeup on. Oh, you look marvelous, darling.
London traffic, chopper 2, 3 miles to the north, landing Linden for fuel.
Somebody's landing.
No one is landing?
Somebody's landing.
Oh.
On the radio. Linden traffic, Cherokee taxiing to runway 09er. Linden traffic. Should announce when he's clear, then I'm gonna announce. I'm gonna do my last check here. Okay. Avionics.
Chopper 2 clearing 9er at Delta, going to the pumps.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let me just trim.
How you doing, Ed? Hello, back.
Roger, trim and did flaps. Fuel pump on. Fuel selector, fullest. Transponder mode. Out. Parking brakes off. Heat. Mixture rich. Props, door locked. Time noted, propeller high, RPM, throttle full. Rotate 53, whatever, it's actually wrong, but hey. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Lights, camera, action. Prop, mixture, fuel pump. Linden traffic, Cherokee entering runway 09er, departing west. Linden traffic. Left clear. Right clear. Clear. Full throttle. Airspace alive. Gauges in the green. 50, 60, roll. Ground effect.
Traffic car turbo, 5 miles south, 2,500 inbound to John, left down, runway 8 static.
Turn left. What's this? Can you hang on to this?
Left base for runway 32.
Right. Yeah, mother. Oh.
Thanks, Rick.
Let me just.
We'll be entering left main field. Runway 8 static.
Yeah, okay. I'll do. Can you do this?
Traffic, twin Cessna, left base, 23 wings. And chopper 2, we lifting.
You want to use two hands?
Taxiway Alpha to the south ramp.
Now.
Good, okay. Can you hold the wheel? Do you have control?
Yes.
Okay, keep it straight.
Landing 6 wings. Yep.
There is a bird coming.
Oh my goodness! Did you see?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Very good.
There is a bird coming.
Ugh, these birds, they love me for some reason now.
Delmar traffic.
Okay.
You got it?
I have control.
Gotcha.
Runway.
Approach Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, go ahead.
Cherokee 22336 at 1,400, just 5 miles, 7 miles east of Newark, looking for a flight following to 44 November. Cherokee 22336.
6300.
Pursuit 02236, clock 0327, and ident.
0327 and ident. Cherokee 22336.
22336, your radar contact 5 south of Caldwell at 1,300, altimeter 3016.
3016. 3016.
Number 142 Juliet Sierra, descend and maintain 2,000.
Yeah, we'll see. If not, it doesn't get better over there, I'm turning back.
22336, contact approach on 132.75.
132.75, Cherokee 22336.
Delta 9.
Approach Cherokee 22336 at 2,500.
And 22336, were you trying to check in?
Yes, Cherokee 22336 at 2,300.
22336, New York approach, Dutchess altimeter 3020, maintain VFR, report when you have the field in sight.
3020, report when still inside, Cherokee 22336. Sky Acres, traffic, Cherokee on final, runway 35, Sky Acres. Laps range, 10, laps range, 5. Sorry, I'm doing a side slip there. Forward slip. Forward 0. Oh, that's good.
More traffic. Whoa.
Tiger's going around. Cherokee going around Sky Acres traffic. I bounced. I landed hard. I thought I was going to start bouncing again. Are you clear? Anybody there?
Yep.
And, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. The wind was coming from there. How was this landing? Not bad. Huh? No comment?
Yeah, good.
Okay.
The wind is used.
Yeah. It's this way.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I was crabbing this way. You notice?
Yeah. Got it.
And then it was some turbulence I felt. Gusts all of a sudden. Looks like I'm climbing a hill here.
You are?
Now I'm gonna put the gas first. Yeah. It brings memories. Only once or twice I was here. Once in the winter with Dorn. Always with Dorn, actually. I think he liked this airfield.
Is the where you put the gas?
Yeah.
Funny.
Looks like a gas station, doesn't it?
Right.
Where's the restaurant? Over there. Here we are at
Sky Acres.
Sky Acres. Airport. Rosie and I. And we just landed. My landing was had to do a go around because I bounced on the final on the runway.
And it's so hot. So
Yeah.
balmy.
Really? How warm is it? I mean, I'm sweating.
Sure.
Anyway, it's pretty cool here. And Dorn, if you can see it, the good old days when we came here. I came with you twice here, Dorn. So shout out to you, Dorn. Okay, we're on. So, and your name is?
My name is Mark Dunn.
I live locally. I'm a certificated flight instructor here at Skyers Airport, meeting with a potential new member to flying.
It's Dunn Regional, which is located in Wappingers Falls. It's about 8 nautical miles that way.
Oh, okay. Because I myself fly from Linden, New Jersey.
Okay.
I live in Manhattan, so that's the closest one to me.
Yeah.
So this is my first actual venture north as a private pilot. I was here a couple times when I was doing my cross country with my CFI. Back then, his name was Dorn, one of the better CFIs that I've had. We came here a couple times, once in the winter when the runway was covered with snow when we actually landed, like a soft field.
Yeah,
landing.
Skyers is more of an opportunity to socialize a little bit with folks who are here at the airport. I live in the area. I'm about a mile and a half south of the airport, is where my home is. And I've been we moved into the house in '82. I got my private pilot certificate in 1990. And
After retirement? Oh no, it was before retirement, obviously. 20 years prior or something like that.
yeah.
Have you found the airport as far as landing challenges? Is it more well, this airport, yeah.
We want to have a crosswind component, I promise.
I felt it. That's my airplane, by the way. Right there, the Cherokee. Right there in front.
Fairly interesting collection of aircraft to be in and out of here safely. I've been in and out of here flying twin turboprop as well.
Okay, nice meeting you guys.
Take care.
Sky Acres traffic, Cherokee entering runway 35, departing southwest. Sky Acres traffic. Acres, they always. Yeah. Left, it's tough to see here. There, right? There. So we're on top of a hill, this airport. See the dumps going down here.
Right.
Okay. And the runway's sloping down. Okay, airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green. Fair clip, 141 knots. Which is about 160 miles per hour. It's a nice clip. Nice speed. Approach RK22 336.
And say your numbers one more time.
Cherokee 22336.
22336, guys.
I'm about 20 miles south of Poughkeepsie, request flight following to Linden, New Jersey at 2,500.
It's 685, reduced to 180 knots, then ascend to 2,000.
180 first and 2,685.
American 1788, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, American 1788.
So 61 Papa, contact 124.07.
2407, 61 Papa.
He's busy.
Delta 530, contact 12085.
530, good day.
Number 22336, squawk 0212.
Squawk 0212, Cherokee 22336.
Monmouth traffic, Lear 358 Foxtrot, 3 miles straight in for 32, Monmouth.
Traffic, Cherokee on short final, runway 9er. Then traffic.
Good.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, we're...
Oh, dears.
Oh yeah, that's what I need. I really need, you know, I need to buy that horn thing, you know, air horn.
You buy so many things for the plane. The plane won't
in the
take off. Won't take off with so many things that you have.
Yeah, the weather today was not a good day. It was marginal. I was gonna turn back, you know, I was like almost there to turn back.
Right.
I said the hell with it, it's just not worth it.
Right.